Hi, welcome to A Walk in the Woods. I'm Debbie. I'm your hiking guide for today. We're going on exploring nature with children.
Spider web. I didn't say that would be a hazard, did I? No. Actually, it's a caterpillar. It's a tent caterpillar. So it's eating this lovely leaf, the sourwood leaves, and it's chewing it up. But it's kind of fun when you start looking at the sky. Yeah. Little caterpillars. There's lots of nature around us. Oh, wow. They look like snakes, don't they? All right, so do you guys all have poison ivy where you're from? I think so. So, leaves of 3, let it be. So, some of these have been broken, but here's one. 1, 2, 3, and here's a couple more. They've been chewed on. And then there's a lovely vine that goes up, so much so that it's hard to identify the tree because the first leaves you see are all poison ivy leaves. All right? Yes. Yes. So don't touch it. It's irritating, okay? It makes us itch. So, lycopodium is what it is, okay? Yep. So lycopodium reproduces by spores and has little runners. And that one's a rhododendron in full bloom behind us here. You can see with the dapple light how pretty it is. If you see anything that moves or is of interest, oh, I've got gray. Now, if you've got one that's kind of red, ooh, and you scratch the red, get it a little wet. Oh, wow. Okay, so I've got gray and red. I can do this a lot. And then I can do this. All right. Anyone else want to do their face painting? Oh, okay. So maybe you can make a tiger on your face? All right, if you don't like it on your face, another way is to put it on your arm. Strongest wood out here, not the fastest growing tree. Oh, but this one is. Ho, ho, ho. Woo, can you look all the way up and see the leaves on that one?
Oh, wow.
If you're a bear and you're a female bear, you don't want to be anywhere near where there's a mountain lion or a wolf, pack of wolves, because they could chase you down. So you want to have your young ones in a protected area. A hollow tree is a great place here in the Smokies. We have lots of trees. So in the wintertime, a female bear will scurry on down, and usually it has more covering. This is just an example, where she's going to be protected. She's going to go in there in November, and her little bear cubs are going to implant. Come December, January, they're born. Hold out your hand. Have you ever had a juice box or a milk from school?
Yeah, I had them.
Yeah, they're about 6 to 8 ounces. So that's the size of a newborn cub. We have to be loud and proud. We have to intimidate that bear. We have to go, yo bear, I'm Debbie.